Looks like an atomic bomb was set off in here. Okay. That is sundubu on my table. Is that disgusting? Probably. You know what I say to that? I'm just a girl. Okay, I'm a hungry girl.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test.
Good morning, New York. Let me clean these lines. Oh my gosh. What? He said, give me food. Give me. All right, just put an outfit on, okay? Because we're gonna hit the gym today. Yep. When I was on vacation, okay, I said, I'm gonna get back and I'm gonna go to the gym. Yesterday, I was like, fuck, no, I'm not. I'm not running, I'm not going to the gym. Today though, we had a change of heart. So I decided to change into my workout clothes right away because the ass, she's definitely looking flat. I know, jump scare. That was a jump scare. I should have warned you. Anyways, but you know, I'm not like mad about it because I'm like, the legs though, the arms are top. Well, I don't know about toned. The butt could be a little juicier. But honestly, I just want to work out. I just want to work out for me. We only got one body, and our body is the vessel to. Wow, look at this beautiful spread of jewelry. Oh my god. Oh wow. Me vlogging with the iPhone is actually exposing the fuck out of me. Y'all are seeing the real me. This is real, this is me. Okay, let me try to sing that. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine. That just wasn't my key, guys. It's very important to find your key, and that wasn't my key. I'm gonna speed run clean this so that I feel accomplished for the day.
Because guess what? When you do these little things in the morning to make you feel accomplished, you already feel like you're winning for the day, such as making your bed, picking up your clothes, whatever it is, you're a winner. And you gotta remind yourself that. So let's get this day started.
Yeah. There's a voice I hear inside my head. The reason that I'm singing, I need to find you.
Now we just have to pick up the clothes.
I'm proud of you because I know the motivation is feeling up inside of you to get your ass up and to get cleaning. I know you feel that way. How do I know? Because I read my comments. Yup, check. Did I read my comments? I did. Oh, this is looking a little crazy though. But it won't take long, it won't take long. The separate bathroom is my storage unit, so if it looks crazy, that's why. Empties. Nice, very clean. Hot girl nightstands. All these tissues, bro. My hack about staying clean, even though don't take advice from me because clearly I'm not clean right now. I have phases, okay? But other than that, the rest of the house, okay, take this advice. Trash cans everywhere. That's what I need. Because I'm like, if I see a piece of trash and I could just throw it next to me, like because there's like a place to throw it, I'm gonna do that. And then that way you're throwing away things more and just, yeah. I'm on a roll right now. I'm like, I wanna clean everything. I'm actually so proud. That looks really good. Cause you don't judge me. Cause if you did, baby, I would judge you too. Cause I got issues. But I left my necklace on, so that should just, I look like I have a ringworm or something. Also, look at this empty. We have another Tatcha empty. I swear this is my favorite freaking cream in the entire world, and I will die on that hill. Tatcha, sponsor me. Also, another empty that I'm holding on to dear life too. Is there anything left, please? Yes. We got toothpaste for at least another night. This Apple alarm is the outfit going to the office. I'm wearing my workout set, some cowboy boots, and this brown jacket, not brown, this camo souvenir jacket, which looks like this. But I have some skinny jeans I'm gonna change into once I'm done my workout so that this outfit isn't so confusing. Okay, I just accessorized. This is like my standard bracelet stack. That silver one is a new one though, but the rest of them I've been wearing for a while. This one, the two-toned one right here, is thrifted. The Indian ones were gifted, and then the gold wraparound ones are kind of just regular ones. These are the jewelry. I've got the necklace on lock. This is a custom one me and my grandma made in Vietnam. Oh, and then all these gold bangles my mom gifted me, except for the two tennis ones, are from a jewelry shop that is fake. You know what? I feel like the jewelry just adds something. A little sprinkle. Sterling, let's go, Sterling. Hiding under the bed. Let's go. Come on. Outside. Come on. Go.
This is an accessible station.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Time is currently 9:40. Oh, I got to work a little bit later than I wanted to, but it's okay. We'll hit the treadmill, 15 minutes and feel accomplished. And then I'm gonna get breakfast. I always thought that looked like a deflated ball sack mixed with fruit roll-ups. That is a deflated ball sack fruit roll-up. There needs to be like spa music that automatically plays when you walk in. Oh my gosh. New samples? Are you freaking kidding me? Shut the F up. I need to put this on right now. Oh my god, I have not seen this yet. I didn't even know this was in. This is very good for a first sample. So she's supposed to be Snatchina. Okay. Oh my god, the sleeves fit me perfectly. This is so cool. Ooh. First sample, as we can see, there's a problem here, where this is like getting weird right there. But you know, if we were like to ignore that, she's kind of fat. She's gonna get there. She's definitely gonna get there. And you can go like this. You can wear it like this. Ah, obsessed. Let me go start like a freaking girls chic fab fashion line real quick. Why are you on the table? saw Kendall Jenner take a picture right there the other day and I was gagged. I was like, we have the same energy?
Had to gas up on him, had to make it to the shuttle, see my graps up on him. Had to pull another tab in and scratch one off him. This is everybody world, I'm the last one of them. Had to gas up on him, had to make it to the shuttle, see my graps up on him.
She made me sweat. Eucalyptus towels. Proud of myself. Could I please have the English muffin breakfast sandwich? And then I'll also just do a iced cinnamon sugar oat shaken espresso. Thank you. Ooh. All right, time is currently 10 something, but we got our breakfast and our coffee. Okay, we're ready to start getting to work. We're ready to start getting to work today. Let's try the iced oat milk shaken espresso for the first time. This tastes so good. Sausage, egg, and cheese. Very filling, like big. I have a meeting soon, but I'm working on that so we can work on that like later. I mean, we have that other thing conceptualized, but I just need to basically like filter through all the photos. All right, time is currently 11:30. I am headed downstairs because I'm gonna meet with someone who potentially could be a part of the team, but I'm starting interviews for people I've never hired before, which is very experienced big role people that could change the trajectory of the brand, and I've never done stuff like that before. I don't even know what to ask, what to expect, so I'm going in this trying to big girl it and just be curious and ask questions. Oh my god. Oh, you're popular in the elevators.
What kind of dog is he?
He's a Pomeranian. It's lunchtime. We're gonna get the steak bowl. Got this steak bowl. There's tomatoes, cucumbers, some hummus, rice, steak. Just had a meeting. It went pretty well. He did a magic trick. Huh? I'm a little spooked. Anyways, steak bowl. What? I should have asked it for a little bit more well done, but so good. Like, I actually need to throw this in the microwave. It's too raw for me personally. Steak juices. Boom, much better, much better.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
You heard the snap and you turned back like. Okay, we're gonna go view some spaces for an event for Alchemy potentially. So excited to see the beautiful building.
This space, so
Yeah.
you could potentially do cocktails in here, have like a bar set up, or
Yeah.
have a bartender here, and then this space in the back could be a little bit more of an intimate setting.
Yeah.
We have had a live band in here before, and then had people kind of lounging throughout the room. Like,
I see. I like this. Let me give you a little rundown as to how a deck gets made to pitch ideas, how thoughts turn into action. Basically, I spent some time on like Pinterest, Arena. These are like websites where you can just find a bunch of references, and I find what basically I see in my mind, then throw it into a Milano, which you can just throw all the pictures in and then you organize it. And I organize it by just dragging things into like the same sections. So I dragged all the fabric pictures into the same section. And then this is like lighting here, which I need to add lighting. And then this is like the Zen garden that'll be downstairs. This is like projections. This is like how we're gonna display pictures and images and the story. And then I organize it like this, and then we throw it into a deck. And then the deck is already made on Canva. We like have already made a template, but then we just organize and drop, and that's where words get added. Then you send that off to somebody. Hello.
We have some Prosecco.
Thank you.
How many?
Three. Thank you. Oh, this is Daniela's first Friday drink. This office is chic. This is a chic girl office.
Yeah. I'm gonna come back next Friday.
Yes, yes. This is the fashion girl office. I am home. Finally, the sun is shining, gleaming on me. The way the sun is shining and gleaming in is actually making me feel alive. I'm like, oh my God.
Debilitatingly depressed fucking boy you're obsessed with right now. You don't know how quaint you are. Green looked so sick.
Or are you old enough and you enjoy it?
Birds of a feather, we should stick together and might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. I got some sea salt here. Okay. Hi, Sterling. This is the spread for the night. She's looking fire. Delicious, if I do say so myself. Like, what? This is so fucking yummy. I tried a new recipe. I'm very excited. Okay. I'm eating this every day for the rest of my life. Like, I swear, this is like the best food I've ever had. It's just so good. Wow, I can't believe I learned how to like make it. Like, this is really good. Like, this is like going out to eat. BCD tofu. Like, yes. And the sweet potato, I could eat this every night for the rest of my life. I swear. I'm gonna drop the recipe down below if you wanna try.